in Twister County. It's called Twister County. There's a lot of storms in Twister County. That's why they called it Twister County. But here it is. This is right here. This is Andover. Or this is actually Wakefield. Yeah, it's Wakefield. And now a severe tornado watch. Not severe, but there is a tornado watch. Which I don't see a funnel from the tornado yet. If I see a funnel, that means that has a chance of touching the ground. Which means if it touches the ground, it means it's classified as a tornado, which I don't see a funnel yet. There's a tornado watch. I want to see the funnel. Okay, I don't see no funnel. Alright, so here we are in Wakefield, Twister County. No, I see some circulation. I see some circulation in the clouds. By the way, the storms always land in Andover for no, I don't know why. Let's see where the funnel's at. I'm gonna look at the funnel. Alright, I see no funnel yet. Still don't see a funnel. It's weird. Because today was a chance of tornadoes. 3840, 45. There's still not a funnel. I don't know why there's not a funnel yet. There's a good chance of tornadoes. It said a 30% chance to 40 to 50. And they classified as 40 the most chance. So that means there are going to be a chance of tornadoes today. A chance. I checked on the news today. It's just because I'm storm chasing a tornado. It's already 3 o'clock. Still no funnel. Oh, there it is. There it is. Do you see it? Wow, that's a funnel. And where's this funnel near? Of course it's near Avender. It always lands over there. Oh, it looks like it's growing. That means if it grows, that means the funnel is going to touch down and make a tornado. This is definitely going to be a tornado. Tornado watch. Tornado watch. It's traveling. Looks like it's going to... Let me check my radar. Oh, we already touched the ground. Good thing it's only open to fields. But dang, it's about to go to Rockford. It's already going to Rockford. Right now, it's actually not going to Rockford. It's actually going near the shore. The shoreline. But I think the silent tornado sounds will be going off. I don't know when, though. But let's check it out. Oh, it's gonna twist over Rockfield. Where is it at? Oh, it's not Rockfield. It's not Rockford. It's not going to Rockford. It's actually going away from Rockford. But it's near it though. Okay, let's see. Tornado. Well, let's check this tornado out. I think it's only in EF0. I think it's only in EF0. Alright, let's check the tornado. Alright, wow. That is beautiful. It's a beautiful tornado. It's near Rockford. We need to get on this path. Real quick. There's now a humongous tornado. People are going into tornado for no specific reason. If you go into a tornado, I heard if you go into this tornado, it's gonna get weaker. Don't get into the tornado, it's gonna get weaker. You go into the tornado, it's gonna get weaker because all of you are going into the tornado now, it's gonna get weaker. Be bigger. Trust me, I went into one of these. It was kind of scary, not even gonna lie. Even though it was an EF1, and that was the highest it went. This thing is now an EF1. It turned into an EF1. Now everybody is trying to go into the storm to make it weaker. I want it bigger. I want to get like an EF5. But right now it's pretty small. As you can see, I'm going like 90. Oh, but wait, it's 100 miles per hour. It's 100 miles per hour. According to my radar. As a tornado starts to form. There's a tornado camera. If you don't know where I'm at, I'm literally over there. Things going pretty fast. It's kind of coming into my direction, actually. Oh, it's swallowing the houses. Wow, that's actually pretty strong for an EF1. I mean, technically 100 mile per hour winds is pretty strong, right? Wow, that is actually pretty strong. Tornado. It's going at still 100. It is destroying all the houses. Look what it did over here. The roof just got blown off. The roof got detached. Let's keep going. Let's keep going to this tornado. The tornado is going to get stronger. Is it going stronger or is it going weaker? It's going weaker? You kidding me, bro? But dang, look at the damage it has been doing so far to Rockford. I think it pretty much destroyed my house. Did it destroy my house? You know where I live in this game. I live in Rockford. And it obliterated Rockford. Yeah, it's getting weaker. Tornadoes are getting weaker because too many people keep driving into the tornado. They don't ever let the tornado. They want to experience what it's like in a tornado, which in a tornado could. Alright, it's already 5 o'clock. It's already 5 o'clock. It is 5 o'clock. It's getting weaker. It's getting way weaker. Yeah. This is the tornado. It smashed the town. Look at the damage it has done. Alright, we'll get weaker. Oh yeah, it's getting skinny. It got skinny. It's 80. It just turned into an EF0. Disappointing. I gotta turn on my flashlight. I gotta turn on my headlights though. It's getting dark. The tornado is actually surprisingly pretty strong. Even though it was an EF1, it did some damage. It was moderate damage to buildings. There was no deaths or injuries because everybody, I guess, left town or were near their houses. But thankfully, let me see. Alright, now the tornado might turn into a mezai. It's going 75. Wow, look at that. It's nice to see this tornado up close. There's a person over there near the tornado. I'm gonna check out some of the damage in Andover. It's already a funnel. Now, it's a eventually gonna go back in. And now when it goes back in, it's gonna get swallowed by the storm. Just really carried away with the tornado in it. What was that? That lightning strike was literally right behind me. Oh yeah! As you can see, look at my radar. Look at my radar. Look at my radar. That's how close I was from lightning. That's how close I was from that lightning strike, which was pretty strong. Pretty strong. Not even gonna lie, that actually freaked me out. That was a big, humongous lightning strike. Ginormous. Anywhere that describes big describes that lightning strike. Sadly, there's only an EF1. I can't go to EF2, EF3, EF4, EF5, or possibly an EF6, which is not even on the list, but it will go to an EF6 soon. I don't know what soon is, but there's a tornado every single day in this game. Literally. Let's keep going. Alright, and let's see where it's at. I'm gonna see where I'm at. Alright, so I'm kind of near the exit to go turn left to go to Rockford and turn another left again to go to my house. And now it's just a severe thunderstorm warning today. Where am I at? Not even down the road. Then you turn over here, turn right. I know where my house is at, so don't help me find my house. I know where it's at. So let's go over here. Let's go. Okay, that was one powerful tornado. Dang. I'm gonna go back to my house. And that was a strong tornado. If the tornado got bigger to an EF5, I would use my anchor because this tornado, an EF5 tornado, if you don't know how strong it is, it's enough to lift off structures and remove houses off their foundations. Or the foundations will be tossed away. That means the only thing that'll probably be left is just glass. Is that what I mean? Now the storm's already gonna dissipate. And now I'm gonna look at the cell as it disappears into the night. Apparently the storm, there's no storm, it says, even though there is a storm, it's just really, there is a storm, it's just, all it is just really cloudy. All it is just really cloudy. Oh man, there's a piece of wood right there. Did my house break? Did my house break? Please tell me my house didn't break. Yes, it didn't break. Let's go, it didn't break. Because my house was literally right near that tornado. It would have destroyed it. It was pretty strong for an EF1, like I said. Well, I'm gonna go back inside and just hang out and watch TV. That was a deadly tornado. No one lost their power, thankfully. But dang, it's really windy outside. Alright, the storm is going away. Wait, why is it raining? Don't know. But I'm just gonna go inside and go watch some TV. Oh, there it is. My invisible TV. Man, that was one tough tornado. Not even gonna lie. That was one tough little tornado.